Hey, what's up guys? Just got this part in the mail. I'll show it to you. Shit, how do I do this YouTube thing? Oh, here you go. So, this is the OEM BMW M Performance dry carbon thing. Whatever, for the interior. And I already have this piece installed, and since I'm broke, I can't buy the full trim thing yet, so I'm going with the small things for now. But that should be a pretty straightforward install though, from what I've seen on YouTube. Just a few clips here, as you can see. It's gonna be the same on the OEM, or the original one obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna install it real quick and show you guys how it looks, just in case you guys want to do this to your car as well. But this piece is $200, so and this one was also like $190, so it's very expensive. All right, let's get to install. Okay, update. That was very easy. I literally just put the camera down like 10 seconds ago, and all you want to do is you just want to pull up on this right here. Pull up. You literally just at this edge right here. Pull up and it should slowly release. There's really no click. Let me open this actually. Let's see. So turn on the light here. That's better. As you can see, the clips are now off. Now this actual part apparently takes some force to get the actual. Oh man. Yeah, it does take some. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. Well, I just pulled it off very fast. I don't know if I broke anything. I hope I didn't. That looks not broken, but I pulled it off and it kind of like went forward very fast. So let's hope I didn't break anything, guys. But anyways, let's clean this up a little bit. It's nasty in here, dude. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you have it off. So it's pretty cool. Might just leave it like this. But yeah. So let me install this, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right. So pretty sure I got it installed. It's a little different than the OEM one in terms of like how it clips in. It's not very secured on this, just on this clip right here. Well, yeah, that's, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Whatever. That's what it looks like. Very clean, guys. Very clean. It's coming together. It's coming together for sure. Cool. Again, this is old one. Just a raggedy leather, no carbon. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the install. Guys, so I'm super OCD, and I had a suspicion that wasn't installed properly, and my suspicion was correct, because when you install these, make sure that under here that it's sitting flush up against the actual plastic, because now I can't even pull it up like that. This feels like the OEM one kind of. Before it was like kind of sliding out. Around here it's all secure. It kind of might feel like you're breaking it a little bit, but you're not. So basically what I did is I pushed this side in first, slid it all the way under, and then you kind of want to like push this part down, and you'll feel it like flexing a little bit, but then you'll feel it sit underneath like this piece right here. Just, it's like basically on the other side, if you can imagine that. And it'll make a clicking noise. Now I know for sure it's fine. But yeah. It's is it worth 200? I don't know, you tell me, guys. I think probably not. Yeah, definitely not worth 200, but hey, if I want to complete the whole kit, it's got to be done. Alright guys, so we have made it to the spot. Basically, I just wanted to do the overview of my car here. So, this is a 2019 BMW 430i, and it actually started as a non-M Sport, so it was the Sport line. And me and my dad pretty much converted it into an M Sport. So yeah, everything is done for the M Sport. The side skirts, the front bumper, the rear bumper have stock wheels, but there's definitely a few things that are different than a normal M Sport. So I have just regular eBay gloss black grills. I had a front lip, and that was a catastrophe on the freeway. And then I have these eBay carbon fiber eyelids as well. I got those about 2 years ago, and they're still holding up pretty well. So, surprised about that. And then I have this little side fender vent thing, and as you can see, the LCI F32s don't actually, they're not supposed to have that hole, because that's meant for the pre-LCI vent that the F32 had. But so I bought from this website, and it said that it would fit my 2019 F32, but it didn't. So I had to do a little bit of modification to make it fit, but at the end of the day, I think it looks pretty cool. Probably the only F32 that has that as well. It's real carbon fiber. Everything I have in here is real carbon fiber. I don't like the look of you know, the fake weave or whatever, like the plastic. That's also carbon fiber duct or shark fin. That's what it's called, yeah. And then I also have a roof wrap. That was a pain to get settled with the company I went through. They're not very good. I'm not going to say who they are. They're local, but I'm not going to say. I don't want to ruin anyone's business. So, yeah, it's like OEM plus pretty much. I mean, I have these side skirt extension I put on not too long ago. As you can tell, the car's pretty dirty, but that's because I can't wash it until around a month after this bumper gets cured. An overview of the car, and I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, really the only thing I want to get done is just wheels, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't think these wheels are that horrendous looking for an OEM wheel. I also have the stud, the stud conversion. So everything else is stock on the car. Engine bay, just got the necessities, the charge pipe. I just have a drop-in air filter. What else do I have? Yeah, that's it actually for the engine bay. I would get a downpipe, but I live in California, so let's just say that wouldn't end very well for me probably. Interior is very simple. I don't have much done to it. I mean, I have the BMW all-weather floor mats, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Only plans I have for it is just the trim. So that's that. And oh yeah, also OEM taillights. I do not like the GTS ones at all, but I can see how people might like those. But so that's pretty much it for the overview of the car. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, the only other thing I have done to this car is a muffler delete. I get a little bit of a... Sounds okay, I think.